2, 3.
Hello, my name is Kim from Mark. I'm a partner in a corporate gifting company called Beautiful Corporate Gifts, and for the past 17 years I've been helping branding managers and event coordinators to get people to love their brand. Now, are you an event coordinator? Are you looking for something fun to do for your clients, for your events to be memorable? Well, then I have the perfect solution for you. We're introducing the inflatable furniture range for events, and it's very quick and simple to install, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. This is the Inflatable Ottoman. You will see that it comes with a bladder, which we're going to inflate with air, and then it comes with a printable skin that you put over it. Now, the wonderful thing about these printed skins is that if you've got a lot of different brands, you can print these separately. You need a motor. You can get a handheld pump. You can have an electric motor, or if you want, you can also get a battery pump. You can buy these from us, or you can buy them from one of the leading retail outlets. I insert the motor into the slot and switch it on. Now, I'm not going to talk while this is happening because it's very noisy, but you'll be able to see that it takes roughly a minute to inflate this item. We put the stopper in, we zip up the skin, turn it over, and sit. They're very comfortable, and the beauty of them is they stay inflated for 3 days, so if you've got an event that is over a couple of days, there's no need to uninstall and reinstall. They come in fun options. You can print them the way that you want to. You can get a tent to match it, you can get a chair to match it, and you can get a column to match it. So there you have it, a wonderful fresh idea that's fun and definitely going to be remembered. Thank you very much for watching. You can subscribe to our channel, or if you want to find out any information about our other range of products, you can contact us on sales@beautifulcorporategifts.co.za.